Okay, let me start the interpretation of this chapter. But before that one, I want to go with a small brief about the chapter in English. The Black Aeroplane by Frederick Forsyth. The pilot is narrating his story that one night he was going from France to England, and it was a midnight of around 1:30 in the night. He was flying one old Dakota aeroplane. That was Delta, call sign was Delta Sierra 088. And during that one, he experienced one very unusual or a very strange thing, which never happens in the history of aviation. He was once he was 150 kilometers out of France, or you can say Paris, and he was very close to England. Then in between he encountered one big cloud that was very monstrous cloud, and he was not being able to escape that one because of the fuel constraint. The fuel was very low, or the critical in the aeroplane, but he straightway just entered in that particular cloud, and he experiences that another aeroplane was there. Black aeroplane was there, where he was not having any navigational lights. Navigational light means there are three types of lights are there in an aeroplane. On the left side you have green, on the right wingtip you have red. These are called navigational lights, and normally they used to flicker. Flicker in the sense that another pilot come to know that there is some aeroplane in the sky in front of or near to him. So once he was there in the sky, he entered in the black clouds, but in the black clouds he see that there is another aeroplane, and the pilot of that aeroplane waved to him to follow him. He follows that one, and once he lands there at the Paris control, he calls the Paris control, but mean the time his RT set, radio navigational set, was totally out, and the compass was also not been working. Compass means an instrument that shows the direction. That was also out. So once he lands there, he went to the air traffic controller and asked who the other pilot was. Then he said, no, there was no one flying this night in this stormy weather. He said, no, but I have seen somebody who waved me. Well, no, it's not like that. So at last the pilot is in total surprise that who helped me? Who was that ghost aircraft who helped me to just come out of that perilous situation or of the bad weather? It is just one shot of a big question to him that he has not been able to find out that answer. Do the ghost or the alien also exist in the field of aviation? This is another question which this chapter raises to you. So I will come on to direct the interpretational part of this one in my next video.